Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to cash out your stocks on Cash App quickly and easily. First, open your Cash App and tap on the Investing tab, the one with the little graph icon at the bottom of your screen. Next, select the stock you want to sell. You'll see its current value and your total investment details. Tap Sell, then choose whether you want to sell all your shares or just a specific dollar amount. Once you select the amount, tap Next. Review the details carefully, including the amount you'll receive, and then tap Confirm to finalize the sale. After that, the money from your stock sale will appear in your Cash App balance, usually within seconds. From there, you can tap the Money tab, hit Cash Out, and transfer it directly to your linked bank account. And that's it. You've successfully cashed out your stocks on Cash App in just a few simple steps. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.